Well, hello scrappers. Got a couple lawnmower motors I thought I'd tear down today, get them out of the way. Trying to clear a spot out here to move the all the waste oil burner and stuff over this way. I got a light on that top of that camera, that's almost too much. I thought I'd probably go ahead and tear this one down first. This is already kind of halfway there. This thing here is leaking oil out of the air cleaner, so it's interesting. I don't know if it's overfilled on oil or what the deal is. Throw that into the shred. Okay, so get us some tools here. Yeah, today's already the 3rd when I'm recording this. Kind of behind on videos. Been staying pretty busy, spreading some of that rock and grocery shopping and whatnot. I'm going to check this out here on the, should be cast aluminum. I'm going to hit it with the grinder. I got one of those little mini grinders over there from Harbor Freight. Yeah, no change, so that's cast aluminum. Piece of shred. Got the wheel bar over here for that. And I'll get the spark plug out here, and while I'm at it, I might go ahead and pull this spark plug too. Wonder how many of these screws I can pull out. Could just kind of tear them both down at one time and two birds with one stone type of thing. I got a 1/4 inch back here holding the oil dipstick spout and one back here holding that on. Yeah, I got to get that 1/4 inch there off of there first. And I got a little 1/4 inch nut driver right here that'll make quick work of that. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff out here. I was planning on starting to load the dump trailer the other day, and it's still, I got it backed in. I just haven't opened the doors yet or anything. But got a bunch of stuff I want to try to shove on there today, start loading that thing up. That's plastic. Try to get a load put together. I need to get in and get my ad placed for there's another 1/4 inch there, but it's not going to hurt to leave that little bit of plastic on there on the shred. Now I got a good size nut there. Yeah, I might go ahead and get that. I'll probably have to get the bigger sockets and probably I can try the 3/8 drive maybe, if this will fit. No, those don't fit. That's 7/8. It's going to take something pretty close to about 1 inch, I guess. There's 15/16. That one fits. Get the 1/2-inch drive impact. Piece for the shred. Might be done with that now. Yeah, at least for the moment. Need to get out there and melt aluminum ingots again too. I sold out. But got a lot going on today, and I'll go ahead and save this. Tomorrow they're talking 23-mile-an-hour winds. I said, well, I don't want to get up there tomorrow. And I got a follow-up doctor appointment Wednesday afternoon, so won't be able to get out and melt then either. Well, yeah, it's loose. That'll go out to the melting pot. Throw that in that bucket. Dirt daubers. Okay, let's see. This is the kill wire here that I'm messing with. Can't quite see with so much dust on there. Okay, got the coil off. I think I'll take that muffler off. Got a strap wrench that works good for that. Let's see. I think this is the right way. Yep. Wasn't too tight. That might be worth hanging on to. It's not too bad a shape. I'll get that socket now for that spark plug. And there it goes. And we'll get this one. And I need to start running my ad, get some stuff coming in, but I got to make room for it. So got a lot of stuff ready to load on the dump trailer that I've been putting off so I could haul that rock. But I'm at the point right now where I want to get that loaded, sell a load of rock, or sell that to the scrap yard, and then after that go pick up a few more loads of rock and dump it in here. And most of these bolts here on the head should be 1/2 inch. Most of these come out pretty easy with the 3/8 drive. Ryobi. Yeah, for all you guys that have Ryobis, at the middle to the end of next month, I should be starting the Ryobi days. For you guys that don't know what Ryobi days is which Ryobi is mainly sold through just Home Depot, but they usually have a lot of the stuff's on sale, but they also have where you buy 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a charger, and then you get a free tool. And they have a pretty good selection of tools to choose from. Pull that gasket off. That gasket probably stick to a magnet. A lot of them do. A lot of them are metal. Yeah, that one sticks to a magnet. So that can go into shred. But usually once you get these heads off, like I say, you got that gasket, whichever side it's stuck on. I don't see it here. But the head itself will be plain aluminum, plain cast. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. So I'll throw these in my barrel over here real quick. That barrel's getting pretty full. I may have to load that up, take it up to the city pretty soon. Of course, I'll probably try to get a couple more. I'll probably put that one in storage. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this one out. There's really nothing on this side. I've got this lever here and a rubber hose. Got this little cover right here, that shred. I've just about got a 55-gallon barrel full of these motors that I've been cleaning up. They'll eventually get to the melting pot. I could sell them as aluminum breakage, but I'm doing pretty good with the aluminum ingots, and right now I'm needing more. Which I still got a pretty good pile out there in that one stock tank of stuff to melt. So I may try to take Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday and try to get a bunch melted up. See if I can't do about 100 pounds maybe. So I think everything we got right now is just left on this one side here. These are a little bigger than 1/4 inch, it looks like. Let's cut this wire. Get that out of the way. And then swap bits. Got a little copper here. Pretty sure it's copper. I haven't noticed them using any aluminum in the little generators there or whatever. I'll hit it with a file just to make sure. Yeah, it looks like it's copper. those of you who haven't seen my waste oil in action, if you can get to the playlist, there's a playlist on the waste oil burner, melting metal. I'll set this aside for later cleanup. Good aluminum, or good copper I mean. And pretty much the rest of this, well, let's see. Yeah, I'll get this off of here. Try to get as much off as I can. That way I don't have less to pick out when it's hot. So I could probably get in there and pull that piston if I can crank this. Yeah, it's moving. Got a valve or something in there. Yeah, it looks like a valve down in there. I don't know where that valve came from. So I still have both valves here. Got an extra one there. Okay. I'll just set this in the wheelbarrow for right now and get it out of the way. And then we'll go back to this one. There's not a whole lot to pull off of here. Okay, a couple 1/4 inch. Since I got the 1/4 inch on there, take care of that. And that. Yeah, I've been kind of slow getting motivated this year. I should have had my ad out 2 months ago. Usually put it out March. Post it in February and have it come out in March. Here it is, April. I'll get it posted and have it come out in May. I didn't do real good off the ad last year. It was pretty slow. I think I had more calls off of business cards that I gave out 2 years ago. I'm going to save this piece. Sometimes they're handy to have. I've picked up mowers before and had those broken. Just replace that piece and the mower ran like good. Yeah, real good. Okay, I got probably 1/2 inch bolts there, or 3/8. I only see one. Interesting. Well, let's see. Might be 7/16 even. I'll try that. Nope, 1/2 inch. Okay. Set that aside. Good carburetor. Primer bowl doesn't look the best of shape. Looks like 1/4 inch. Okay, that's done. That didn't take much. I believe that's pretty much. I'll get vice grips on this tube. it'll twist out of there. It's going the wrong way with it. Let's set this out of the way. Yeah, I got a big pile of lawnmower motors down there I need to get to one of these days. But if I get busy hauling stuff in and out of here, it might be a while. Might be fall, winter. Well, that's not wanting to come out. I think it looks like it screws in. Yeah, let me just unscrew it. There we go. Yes, threaded. Yeah, magnet's not sticking to it, so probably aluminum tubing. Okay. And this is majority of the metal off of that, off the outside. So that's about it for this video. I'll clean up my mess. Spreading the pile of rock out back, getting it ready, and then got 4 of those dryer drums out front ready. I'll take you guys out here and show you.